Now that we've got a good sense of the rich service that is provided by IPinfo, let us look at how to make money out of it, how to put it to use, how to do something useful. And in order to do this, I'll be showing two examples. One is a business application using Tesla, the famous electrical vehicle company by Mr. Elon Musk. And the next will be a visualizing project which is more data science oriented. It can help a lot in journalism, etc. So first things first, let's look at the Tesla example. Uh, so first I've launched the tesla.com website here, and I'll show you how they're putting information that is provided similar to similar information that is provided by IPinfo, most likely using a different service to use. A visit to tesla.com with the Chrome DevTools open here issues first a request related to location.teslamotors.com. And this API call is basically a call using my IP address to Tesla Motors and the Tesla Motors geographic information provider. And as I do that, Tesla is getting a lot of information about me. It's getting my geography, it's getting my continent, it's getting various details related to my location, and extremely valuable information. Now let us understand about where this information can be used. For instance, Tesla now has information related to my location without really getting into the intrusive question of me having to share my location explicitly using the browser functionality. Tesla is now able to first get a sense about where its customers are visiting from, which is in itself an extremely valuable data point, a very extremely valuable source of data. And just not that, they can customize their website uh, that is being served to any particular user using this information. For instance, they would recognize that currently I am in Duluth, and they can immediately send me an offer for stores from Duluth, or events in Duluth, or promotions in Duluth, and that can significantly increase my propensity to engage in a further conversation, potentially leading to a very rewarding business with Tesla. Again, extremely useful, very high impact, and the applications of such location-based information extends not just to high-ticket items like Tesla, but can be used by Amazon, but can be used by shopping websites like eBay or Walmart, or fashion websites like H&M, Macy's and Gray, what have you. I hope that gives you a good sense about the valuable information that is being provided by IPinfo without compromising on the privacy aspects of individuals.